Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English listening practice. You will listen to a short story. After the story, I will ask you some questions. Try to answer the questions in your mind. Let's begin.
Last weekend, Emma decided to take a short trip to the mountains. She had been very busy with work for many weeks, and she felt tired and stressed. She wanted to spend some time in nature and relax. Early Saturday morning, Emma packed a small backpack. She put some clothes, a bottle of water, a camera, and a notebook inside. Then she got into her car and started driving toward the mountains. The drive took about 2 hours. Along the way, Emma enjoyed the beautiful scenery. She saw green fields, small villages, and tall trees along the road. When she finally arrived, the air felt fresh and cool. The mountains looked peaceful and quiet. Emma decided to go hiking on a small trail. As she walked, she heard birds singing and the sound of water flowing in a nearby river. After walking for about an hour, she found a perfect place to sit and rest. It was a large rock near the river. Emma sat down, took out her notebook, and began writing about her thoughts and feelings. She realized how important it is to take breaks and enjoy simple moments in life. Later that afternoon, Emma took several photos of the mountains and the sunset. The sky turned orange, pink, and purple. It was one of the most beautiful sunsets she had ever seen. Emma felt calm, happy, and refreshed. She promised herself that she would take more small trips like this in the future.